Asus is coming back with their new beast, the Asus ROG Phone 6, and by some rumors the launch date has also been revealed and it is going to happen on 6th of July, which is almost a week far from now. But guess what, I've got to show you guys. Couple days ago, 10up, which is a certification company for smartphones, revealed the design of Asus ROG Phone 6, and today we will be talking about it and specs of phone as well. So as you can see, this is the Asus ROG Phone 6, which is having slight upgrades at rear side as compared to the ROG Phone 5 or 5 Ultimate or 5 Pro. ROG Phone 5 just had a camera setup and some RGB lights at rear side, but this upcoming beast from Asus is having a huge camera setup and a little display as well. To me, these renders aren't really clear, but it looks like Asus ROG Phone 6 is having a mini display at backside. And along with this little display, there is a little strip which may have an RGB lighting, because we have already seen the prototype of this phone from tech YouTubers. As you can see here, this unit was sent out by Asus where all main parts were hidden, but this is a sure thing that it is ROG Phone 6 as it is really clear from camera setup. Now for the front side, there is still a thick bezel which contains a selfie shooter of 12 megapixel. By the way, there will be a 64 megapixel sensor at rear side of phone. So this 6.78 inches AMOLED display is going to be of 165 Hz as Asus has revealed this thing itself. And this time we will see much improved cooling chamber in phone for gamers. Phone will be having 16 GB of RAM as it can be seen via Geekbench scores, and the Geekbench scores are also pretty good here. ROG Phone 6 will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is the fastest in Android industry right now. And phone will have 6000 mAh of battery, which is really massive, with 65 watts of fast charging. So the phone is launching on 5th of July as per rumors, and let's see what this phone looks like in actual and how it performs. Till that, stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.